So it's Ramadan. I'm gonna fast for 1 day for the first time in my life. No water, no food between dawn and sunset. So cream cheese.
Oui, s'il vous plaît.
On both? Or one? Yeah.
I'll take a picture of mom.
I low-key am still a little bit full from the hot pot.
Right? Thank you.
But it was not hard to wake up because I slept so early, like 9.
I can't relate. This girl kept me up.
Because she was too happy.
She was playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even hear.
Oh, you're lucky because
So like she's so loud. Oh my god. I could never do that.
Cheers. No more water today.
There's a spider? Can you go very slowly?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, we still have 10 minutes to go.
7 minutes until the prayer.
Together.
Oh.
This is how we do it.
No, you're facing the wrong side.
No, when we play together, this is how we do it. So that we can play like next to each other.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن أكبر الله أكبر. You're not supposed to look at me, you're supposed to look at me. I'm the voice of God, okay? But you listen to God.
Okay. Like just now, it was so enough, and then after the movement, it's like sports. So. Good night. So no water for how many hours already? From 5 minutes, and then now it's 12. So 7 hours. I didn't drink water for 7 hours. Good job. So easy. Muslim.
Ja. Okay, get online.
Wait, this background is quite full, quite good. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, sorry. Right side.
Yeah, that's true.
And no one told you there's gonna be a phone.
I didn't know either. It was very lucky.
I was wearing like jeans, oversized hoodie.
Alright.
Immediately listened to her.
Thank you, Mama.
What did
my legs look fat? Or?
they don't?
Put it on the edge of the camera so it looks longer.
He wants to look taller.
Let's go! Wait, I forgot. Like this.
Oh, like this? And then go down.
So, that's the dough.
Oh.
And then take it out. That's a very difficult task. And I do it.
Yeah.
Like this, just like this?
Yeah. I like try to make it a bit longer.
Like this?
Oh.
And press again.
Yes.
Got it. Woo.
This is so hard.
Yeah, but wait, like the texture is harder than usual? Is it?
I've never.
Well, I so want to drink water right now. Like every time I come back home, I just want to drink water. Oh, you can add this, what is that?
Oil, I think.
Oil.
I think.
Is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
That's it.
Leave it. Good, good. Then you're just supposed to. Oh, and done? Okay.
Yeah.
Like this, and we let it rest for 15 minutes. But seriously, like during Ramadan, you can't eat before the time, but you have to cook before the time. Do you try to, like Ramadan, you try to make it mild, and then you can add salt, or you just cook normal?
We just cook normal.
Okay.
So I don't somehow just it's okay.
That's real talent.
Shit ton of oil. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go like this.
Whoa, damn, it's so soft now.
Make it as flat as possible, but at the same time don't break it. Always add more oil. Like this requires really a lot of oil. It should be fucking oily as fuck. Also need this. We will need
No, really.
just a bit. Perfect. Not just a part again. So,
And then the bottom to the top also.
yeah, exactly.
And then I press it in.
Yeah, press it just a bit, like, because we're gonna press it a tiny bit more once we start like cooking it.
Let the professional demonstrate.
Oh yeah, it's big. Oh.
Wowie!
This
is happening.
Yalla wahed. Yalla.
Yalla.
Way.
It looks like fucking Bravo! It did it!
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah! Yeah! She called you and you called her. She called, oh!
Your oil, by the way. Test. Sorry.
خاصك تلقى أغاني مغربية تلقى keep up with the vibe. They always add the Moroccan spicy sauce.
It's too hard, but like this, just in the middle, just from the beginning. Oh yeah, this how we do it.
Yeah, just
Done.
yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I always do perfect. I don't do okay stuff. Okay, salt. Oh
Salt.
shit! Oh,
Juice and
Like this?
tomatoes.
oh, it's okay. Oh, put it inside.
Yeah.
Do. Yeah, go. Looks a little bit like me too. Yeah.
I'm very happy.
So we're gonna mix this to sauce, some vanilla sauce.
We know.
like this.
Oh, yeah. 6:48.
1 hour.
We put it in the freezer.
Oh, now it's too late.
No, it's not too late. It needs an hour or so, right?
Circle.
Let's see how it holds. Like on half again. Cut it in half.
حبة حبة.
And this is the den where we watch movies.
Yeah,
Okay.
Little touch of everything good thing.
Oh.
Water is the best. Happy Ramadan, everyone.